Right. Now, here are the three things I would do if I started a new YouTube channel today. I will do these three things. It's a must that I will do them. Now, the first one is that I will run subscriber ads on YouTube. Now, if you have used Google Ads, or if you haven't used Google Ads and you have a new YouTube channel, try to run follower ads, try to run subscriber ads on your YouTube channel so that you can gain 100, 200, 300 subscribers, or even 1,000 subscribers, from your ads. But the downside of this is that the views that you get from those subscribers, from those ads that you ran, will not count when it comes to monetization. The views that count on monetization on YouTube is the views that come from organic, organic watches, your watch time, the organic watch time that you gain. Any watch time that you gain from ads does not count. That is just the YouTube policy, right? So, but if I were you, and if I'm starting a new YouTube channel from scratch, I will run a subscriber ad so that I will gain maybe 500, 400 subscribers for a start, and I will go. Okay, because if you gain those subscribers and if they watched your video the first time, right, through ads, and they subscribed to your channel, it means that they already like the kind of content that you make. So chances are, if you make more contents in the future and you gain 500 people, now more or less 250 of those 500 are going to watch those videos, those new videos that you make that you didn't run ads on. So that's how it is important to run ads, okay, to gain those subscribers, right? So that's what I would do. Now, that was the first thing. The second thing I would do if I'm starting from scratch, my YouTube channel from scratch, is that I will post consistently, at least one video every day. Consistency is the key. Consistency is the game. Try as much as you can to post consistently every single day. Okay, it's important that you post every day. It's better to post every day for the next 1 month, right? It is better to post one video every day for the next 1 month than to post 3 videos in one day, and then for the next 1 week you don't post anything. No, it doesn't work that way. So make sure you make your videos and you schedule your videos. If you are a working class person, make sure you use weekends to make your videos and then schedule them to go out every day for the rest of the month or the rest of the week. Okay, that was the second thing. Now, the third thing that I would do if I'm starting my channel from scratch all over again is that I will like, I will comment, I will share. Okay, I will like other creators videos, I will comment on those videos, and I will share those videos, and I will also subscribe to their channels, right? The things that you want other people to do for you, make sure you are doing it for the other creators, right? You never can tell. One comment that you made on someone else's video, that person might even use your comment to make another video, right? That creator might even tag you in the next video that they make, and then by that they will drag you and drag your channel or drag your page, to go to popular, to become popular, right? That's the right word that I'm looking for, right? So they will drag your page to be popular if they tag you on their own videos. Their followers are still going to watch your own videos, go to your page, or they will go to your channel and watch your own videos. Okay, that's the one way. That's another way that you can popularize your content. Okay, so those are the three things I would do, okay, if I'm starting my channel all over again. And now, for a bonus tip, if you have watched to this extent, if you have watched this video to this extent, I'm giving you a bonus. Now, another thing I would do that is very important is that I will use tags and hashtags on my videos, on every of my videos. If you're uploading videos from your phone, right? If you maybe shorts, you're uploading shorts, or you're uploading long-term videos, like those videos you're uploading for the first time are not fully cooked. Some people understand what I'm saying, some don't, but allow me to explain. That video is not fully cooked, right? If you upload using the YouTube app, make sure you go to the YouTube Studio app to click on edit and to add your description, add your hashtags under that description, add your hashtags. Okay, now also go down to the tag section and add those tags. Cooking these videos using those keywords, adding those tags in your videos will help the algorithm to push your video in a long way. Okay. Now, here are the three things plus the bonus I gave you that I would do if I'm starting my YouTube channel all over again. I hope you have gained a thing or two from this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.